We are going to the 14th chapter. In this, we are going to see 4 slokas 5, 6, 7, and 8. In this, Krishna is telling about the 3 gunas. Gunas can be understood as the mode in which we are acted upon. You will understand as we go through the slokas. The first sloka or 5th sloka in chapter 14. Sattvam rajastamagiti gunaha prakriti sambhavaha nibadnanti mahabaho dehe dehinam avyayam Sattvam rajastamagiti gunaha prakriti sambhavaha nibadnanti mahabhago dehe dehinam avyayam. Sattvam, the mode of goodness, the mode of nobleness, you can say. Rajaha, the mode of passion. And tamaha, the mode of ignorance. So you can understand that we will be acted upon in the mode of goodness. It is called sattva. When we are acting upon the mode of passion, it is rajoguna, or in case we are acted upon in the mode of ignorance, not knowing anything situation, that is tamaha. Like that you can understand. Iti, thus, gunaha, modes, prakriti sambhavan. So you can understand they are created by the material nature or simply nature. So Krishna simply says there are 3 gunas created by the nature, and they are sattva, raja, tama. Like that. And as I said, what sattva means, you understand. Now what they do actually, nibadnanti mahabhago. So Arjuna is addressed as Mahabhago, the person, the mighty armed one. And nibadnanti means they are binding. 3 gunas are binding. Dehe, in this body, dehinam avyayam. Dehinam, the occupier of the body. Dehinaha means occupier of the body. Dehinam means it is bound by these qualities. Avyayam, the unchanging, the eternal Atma, soul. So simply, Krishna says in this sloka, there are 3 modes in which we are acted upon, and these three modes are binding the soul in the body. This much understanding is good enough. And let us see the next sloka. 6th sloka. Tatra sattvam nirmalatvat prakasakam anamayam sukha sankhena badnati jnana sankhena chanaga. Tatra sattvam nirmalatvat prakasakam anamayam sukha sankhena badnati jnana sankhena chanaga. Tatra, among these, sattvam, the mode of goodness, nirmalatvat, because it's being pure, prakasakam, it is illuminating the intelligence, anamayam, it is healthy, there is no question of disease in the sattva guna. Like that you can understand. Healthy, full of well-being is written in this display. So of this, sattva is nirmala, without any contamination or uncontaminated. It is bright and illuminating, and it is healthy and full of well-being. So, O Badnati, Sukha Sangena Badnati, Jnana Sangena Chanaga, Anaga, O sinless Arjuna, O pure Arjuna, he is addressing Anaga. So, what it does? Sukha Sangena Cha, Jnana Sangena Badnati, it is binding the soul, it is binding the soul with the knowledge attachment, or it gives, it drives the soul towards understanding of the absolute reality, and Sukha Sangena, it is also driving the soul towards happiness. Cha, also Anaga is addressing Arjuna as the sinless person. Tatra Sattvam Nirmalatvat Prakashakam Anamayam Sukha Sangena Badnati Jnana Sangena Chanaga. Let us go to the seventh stanza. Rajo Ragatmakam Vidhi Trishna Sanga Samudbhavam Tad Nibhadnadi Kaunteya Karma Sankena Dehinam. Rajo Ragatmakam Vidhi Trishna Sanga Samudbhavam Tad Nibhadnadi Kaunteya Karma Sankena Dehinam. Rajaha, the mode of passion. Ragatmakam, it is driven by passion. Vidhi, you understand. Trishna Sanga Samudbhavam, it is created, or it arises because of the desires. Trishna, the desire. So because of the association to the desires, it arises. Tad Nibadnati Kaunteya. He is addressing Arjuna as the son of Kunti. Tad Nibadnati. Tad, that Rajoguna is binding Kardehinam, the soul, Karma Sangena, through it is attaching or it is tying the soul with desire or attachment to fruitive actions. Actions simply, but fruitive actions means you are directed to take actions with the results in mind. So goal oriented, result oriented action, you can say that way. Rajo Ragatmakam Vidhi Trishna Sanga Samudbhavam Tad Nibadnadi Kaunteya Karma Sangena Dehinam. Now he is talking about the Tamoguna, the mode of ignorance, like that. Tamas Tamaha tu Ajnanajam Vidhi Moganam Sarvadehinam Pramadalasya Nidrabhihi Tadnibadnati Bharata. Tamasvatvajnanajam Vidhi Moganam Sarvadehinam Pramadalasya Nidrabhihi Tadnibadnati Bharata. So Tamastva Vajnanajam, it is separated as Tamaha tu Ajnanajam. Tu, but Tamaha, the mode of ignorance, it is Ajnanajam. It is born out of ignorance. Ajnanajam. Ajam is born out of. Ajnanajam Vidhi, it is born out of ignorance. That's how you understand. Mohanam Sarvadehinam. It is actually confusing, or it is put the Atma into illusion. Pramada Pramada alasya nidrabhihi. Pramada means negligence, taking light, carelessness. This is pramada. Alasya, laziness, not doing anything. Nidrabhihi, always wants to sleep, always in a sleepy mode. So with that, tad nibadnati. So the soul is getting tied upon to these qualities: illusion, negligence, and illusions, negligence, laziness, and sleep, to which the soul is getting attached by getting tied upon by tamoguna. So let us read the sloka again. Tamasvatva ajnanajam viddhi mohanam sarvadehinam pramadalasya nidrabhihi tadnibadnati bharata. It is, let us see whether we can see all the sloka once together. We will read all the slokas again. Okay. So let us start from the first sloka, the fifth sloka. Sattvam rajastama giti gunaha prakriti sambhavaha tad nibadnanti mahabhavu dehe dehinamavyayam. Sattvam rajastama giti gunaha prakriti sambhavaha nibadnanti mahabhahu dehe dehinam avyayam. Tatra sattvam nirmalatvat prakasakam anamayam sukha sankena bandhnati jnana sankena chanaga. Tatra sattvam nirmalatvat prakasakamanāmayam sukha sankena badnāti jnana sankena chanaga. Rajo rāgātmakam viddhi trishna sanga samudbhavam tad nibadnāti kaunteya karma sankena dehinam. Rajo rāgātmakam viddhi trishna sanga samudbhavam tad nibadnāti kaunteya karma sankena dehinam. Tamaha tu ajnanajam viddhi mohanam sarvadehinam pramadalasya nidrabhihi tadnibadnati bharata. Tamaha tu ajnanajam viddhi mohanam sarvadehinam pramadalasya nidrabhihi tadnibadnati bharata. Thank you. Hare Krishna.